Here we are. A little bit of E. Hopefully you enjoy the little videos of my pickup and my friends pickup racing together. And let me know in the comments if you want to know any more details. As you can see, my buddy beat me by a whole second. His truck is amazing, really nice build. It's basically fully built, in other words. It has at the moment 360 horsepower. Mine did 300 with more PSI than him because I cannot control timing with my ECU. And mine right now is a little bit weaker than normal because my turbo smoking, and I've been smoking a lot lately in the valve cover, so that means that I may have a cracked piston. My compression is going through the oil pan and up my valve cover. You can see all the smoke coming out. But I have to say, his build is amazing. That truck runs like crazy. That thing runs. Even if my turbo was working correctly and everything was good, the most I can do is like a 12.9 or a 13 hole. So I'm gonna be doing some upgrades now, like putting a little bigger turbo and better fuel management. See what we can do next time. Look at my turbo, how it's leaking so bad. Thank God it didn't leak on the track, because I was gonna get kicked out and I could provoke an accident because of this. Thank God the muffler was so hot that it didn't leak. This is after I arrived home. Here's a little burnout, my last burnout with this turbo and this setup. So I'm gonna be making some upgrades. I'm gonna put a bigger turbo, like $130 turbo. It's .60, .70 in the front. Probably a 240 intake manifold and some 1000cc injectors, and I'm still thinking about the ECU, and obviously brand new pistons, stock piston, not forged. I'm gonna try my best to record the whole upgrade, like everything. So stay tuned, and if you want to know something in specific, you want me to make another video explaining a little bit more of what I'm doing and what I want to do, just let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching.